What is up, guys? How you guys doing? Hope everyone's doing well. So we have a super cool unboxing today. We have the first performance part for the Gsx Eclipse. We've been doing a lot of cool aesthetic stuff, but this time we have some true horsepower performance goodness. So I hope you guys are excited. Get comfortable, kick back, let's get into it. Alright guys, so again, welcome back to the channel. Hope everyone's doing well. So this is going to be the first unboxing video for some true horsepower goodness, as I mentioned. So this is a really cool piece. This is something I've been eyeballing, and I was going through all the groups and talking to people, and this was something that seemed like it was pretty highly recommended to do. Again, if you're new here, we are doing a build series on my 1999 Eclipse Gsx. We're just in my office today. Like I said, we got bad weather coming in. So I just wanted to go ahead and do a cool, easy video for you guys to show you some cool performance parts. So let's show you guys what we got. Okay. So here you go. This is by a company called Weapon R. Thumbnail right there. Anyways, so this is by a company called Weapon R. They do a lot of cool little performance parts, and I've had this for a couple of weeks now, and I haven't even unboxed this, so I haven't looked at it, so you guys are going to experience this at the same time as me. I am very sunburnt, if you can see in the video, because we were down at Circuit of the Americas, and we were watching Time Attack down there for Super Lap Battle, and clearly I did not wear enough sunscreens, because I got a gnarly farmer's tan going right now. So, that's fun. But, moving onward, let's crack this thing up and show you guys what we got. In hindsight, I probably should have at least cut the tape off before I started this video, but you know, it is what it is. Okay, one eternity later, I got the tape off. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching me struggle with tape. Alright, so this is what we got. We have bubble padding stuff. So, you know, these are always fun to play with. Like that. RIP to headphone users if you just experienced that on full volume, because that probably did not feel good. So my bad. I'm sorry. I didn't really think about that when I did it. Okay, so moving on away from all my horrendous jokes. We have a bag with instructions and something else in there that we'll look at here in a second. And we have the main thing that everyone wants to see, which is more bags, apparently. That's packaged really nice. Kudos to them. Getting there, guys. I promise. We're close. Eventually, we will have something show up in this video. Woo! Man, that is nice. And it's going to be a shame because I'm about to get my fingerprints all over it. Okay. You guys ready? 3, 2, 1. Boom. Take a look at that. Is that not nice? I need to have one of those little spinning carousel things where I can, have it on display. I can do the Van White. You guys all know that pose, if you're old enough. So, here we are, guys. We have the Weapon R manifold for the Turbo Eclipses / Talons. So this piece is crazy nice. That is going to look sick. The welds are really nice too. Like, you look at that, like, it's pretty. All the machine work. What do you guys think? You like it? Too shiny? Okay, so set that right there. Try not to break anything or knock things over, because you'll see me cry on camera if I knock that over at this point. Let me scoot back some. Too close. Alright, let's see what else we got in this little package here. So exact word for word, so you guys know exactly what it is. We have the aluminum sheet metal intake manifold for a 95 to 99 Eclipse Turbo or Eagle Talon Turbo. Comes with throttle body, thermal gasket, and air intake, coolant, air tanks available. If you go there, you can buy some more of their stuff. Direct bolt-on, OEM replacement, polished, and you're not supposed to have to modify when you guys put this on. So this should be a direct fit and no issues or problems there. So we're going to find out on that. So again, there you go. Hopefully you guys can read that. And I'm not like having it 3 inches away from the screen. You guys are just looking at paper. So that is one picture. It is called the Neo Titanium color. It's a sold out item. So I didn't get that one, which I don't think I really want that. That's like the Mistachrome finish looking stuff on the Cobras. So that's pretty wild to see. Titanium looks so cool though when it's done. Like, it's just cool. So I dig it. Okay. And then what else we got? We have a pamphlet with their propaganda trying to sell you on more stuff, which there are some things here that I might actually want to buy. So I have to take a look at that for some reading material. And then last but not least, what is any car part without some good old stickers? So Weapon R website. That's where you guys can check out some more of the product. I'll find somewhere to stick this. If I can't find anywhere good, then I'll stick it on my child's forehead and call it a day. Alright. So what else do we got? Okay. So we went over that. We unboxed it. And lastly, let's show you guys. I'm going to go over some details on this as well. So, and I'm not going to lie to you, I have to read this from here so I don't mess up. Okay, so this is a high volume intake manifold that's proven to make over 15 to 30 horsepower on naturally aspirated applications, and on turbo models, which we have because we have the Gsx. They are saying you are going to gain anywhere between 45 to 90 horsepower on forced induction applications. This manifold offers quicker turbo spool and huge top-end power increases over the OEM factory manifolds. It is CNC machined, velocity stacks, flanges, and carefully TIG welded the entire manifold to prevent leaks and cracks. Made from high-grade AL 6061 for durability and strength. No modification needed for installation. Fingers crossed, because sometimes every company says that, and before you know it, you're cutting up everything to try to modify to get something to fit. So, Weapon R, if you're watching this, hopefully you guys aren't lying to all of us, and I'm about to be just SOL. And having to do a bunch more stuff I don't want to do. So, what do you guys think? Again, here she is. I mean, that's really pretty. That's really nice. I mean, you can see, look at that machine work. You guys ever notice that's how you know you're getting older? Before you know it, you're spending, let me get that out of the way. You're spending Friday nights at Lowe's or Home Depot with your spouse, and that's what date nights are. And now you're starting to notice nice machine work on manifolds. So that's how you know you're getting older. But anyways, guys, that's the video. Hope you guys enjoyed this. Like I said, this is just a quick, fun video. Hope you guys like it. This is one of the first performance pieces that we've bought, other than the coilovers, which if you haven't seen that, it's like 2 videos back, and you should go check that out. We got some really nice coilovers from Yellow Speed Racing here in Texas. So we got some suspicious stuff going, and now we have some horsepower goodness. So I hope you guys liked it. If you're new here, please think about subscribing, as that would be fantastic. We are almost to 1,000 subs on the channel, and once we do that, we are going to be giving away a free pair of Oakleys. So if you want a chance at winning those, be an active subscriber, because when we hit 1,000, we'll do the giveaway, and someone will be getting a free pair of Oakleys on me, and they'll be shipped right to your door. So you should subscribe. There's good stuff coming. And then once that giveaway is over with, we're going to be doing another giveaway, and so forth and so forth. And when I hit 1 million subscribers, I'll give away a boat. Someone's going to find this if I actually ever get close to that, and they're going to hold me to buying a boat and giving it away. So if you want to see that blow up in my face, you now have full confirmation on me of me stating that. But anyways, guys, hope you guys enjoyed this. Again, if you're new, subscribe, please. I'm really trying to hit 1,000. We've been staying on the grind, and we're having good success. And you know, we're gonna hit that goal. I know we will. Just patience is key here. And YouTube is all about patience and testing your patience on all levels. So, again, if you can, please subscribe. That'd be amazing. I'd greatly appreciate it. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you give it a like, as that greatly helps as well. It gets us in that algorithm and showing YouTube that people find me entertaining, even with all my bad jokes. So there's that. You always get a good comedy show in these videos as well. And yeah, like I said, I'll see you guys in the next one. Stay hungry, feed on success. Peace.